Welcome to BI and Your Success, a set of 5 videos presenting best practices to support your BI program. In each 3-minute video, you'll meet an SAP thought leader who is passionate about the bigger picture of business intelligence and eager to share proven strategies for creating your information-driven culture. Our featured expert on the phone is Imran Siddiqui, Senior Principal, Big Data and Predictive Analytics at SAP. Welcome, Imran. Let's talk about how to build a business case for a BI strategy. Imran, first, beyond talking about just feature and function, what are the typical components of a solid business case?
I'd say storyline, and storyline. Remember, you're competing for funds with other projects in the organization. So if you can weave the need for this investment into the right storyline, you will succeed. Ideally, it starts with the strategic goals of the organization or of the organizational unit that you're looking to make this improvement in from a BI perspective. And then it shows how this BI investment will enable those goals. What will be the downstream processes that will get affected? How will BI help improve the outcome of those processes? I would pick 3 to 5 drivers of value, and if possible, try to put some numbers on them. Then, of course, it's important to talk about the existing pain points and how the solution will alleviate those pain points. The key is to talk about the incremental improvements that you expect to see. And, of course, finally, no business case is complete without a change management plan or a roadmap. How is this going to be weaved into the organization, as well as an ROI or an NPV estimate?
How do we go about building a BI business case specifically?
The key thing that we've always looked for is how much of a lift will this capability bring to existing performance of other processes? What are the use cases that are most relevant for this solution? I have a consumer products company that I work with where they are trying to influence and improve their relationship with their customers, which, of course, are retailers. How is predictive analytics or visualization going to help them to do that? And what's the downstream impact of that going to be? Are they going to be able to improve their margins? Are they going to have better positioning of their products?
Can design thinking help organizations today build a BI business case?
Absolutely. Beyond providing reporting capabilities, BI is helping to direct potential improvements in things like business models. And design thinking is essentially the ability to bring some methodologies to work that will help you to not just find the right answer to existing questions, but sometimes to actually figure out what are the questions we should be asking that we're not asking. Design thinking is very useful, particularly for surfacing the needs of your customer, whether it's an internal customer or an external customer, and then for designing use cases and defining them. So it acts as a really useful mechanism, particularly on the front end of when you're thinking of designing or expanding your BI capability.
Thank you, Imran Siddiqui, for sharing your deep expertise in building a business case for a BI strategy. Be sure to watch the other videos in SAP's BI and Your Success series. Thank you, and here's to BI and Your Success.